Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a Foap app tutorial, so please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Foap, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, you can see Pop Up allows users to sell their photos and videos to brands and individuals. So it functions as a platform where users can upload content, participate in brand mission, and potentially earn money from sales through the FOP market and through brand collaboration. So the app also facilitates the building of a portfolio and provides a community for feedback and interaction. So if you want, you can also download the app itself on Google Play or App Store on your mobile phone, and it's pretty much easier to use. And yeah, it's actually an application for mobile, but if you want, you can go to their website right here to create an account and to find more about Foap app. So yeah, it turns your photos and videos into cash. So if you're doing some uh, stock videos, etc., like that, videos that you edit, and also photos that you edit too. And for example, if you are a photographer and you may great photos, for example what you see right here, so as you can see, you can sell your works right here on Foap itself, and you can download it on App Store and Google Play. And as you can see right here, they have 10 years plus empowering creators. They have 10,000 plus briefs submitted, and mostly they already have 3 million plus dollars uh, paid out to creators. And as you can see, there are many brands that are using this application, 3,000 brands. And yeah, as you can see, your creativity will be rewarded. Your artistry deserves recognition. So with Pope, brands choose the best content, making your creativity a rewarding endeavor. And you can gain valuable insight directly from brands and use the feedbacks to grow and refine your skills as a content creator. And you can also become a real part of the community. So you can join crowds and connect with people who share your passion and interest. For example, if you're having a video editing interest, video editing passion, so yeah, people like you are here on Fope, and you can connect with them, and you can learn from each other and share your experience with each other. And yeah, you can enjoy open dialogue with your creative soulmates. And also with Fope, you're not just a creator, you can also be a potential brand ambassador by building a long-lasting relationship with brands and gain their social proof and skyrocket. And with that, you can skyrocket your career. And yeah, so you can see, if you want, you can check out their missions right here. So now, if you want to create an account, just click sign in right here. And if you want, if after you click on it, you will be asked if you are signing in as a brand or signing in as a creator. So if you are a creator, if you want to sell your videos and or photos, yeah, you need to choose a creator. And right here, just click it, and you will be needing to sign in with your account. And if you don't have an account, you can just register right here. So they will be asking you to, if you want to create a creator account or business account. So yeah, it's up to you what type of account you're using. So I'm going to choose creator, and for the email, just going to put my email and sign up. And if you want, you can use your Facebook account. So right here, after you log in with your account, you will be redirected to this page. So you can submit your brand brief if you want, if you're already having a brand. And as you can see, you can tell your brand story with your own customized visual content. You can access a community of 3 million talented creators to equip your brand with tailor-made video or imagery. So yeah, you can join brief and mission. So some people call it a brand brief, others a campaign plan. So we call it the Pope call it mission. So it's more than a brief. A mission is a vehicle that drives the shape, direction, and results of your campaign, and from conception, selection to deployment, with the Pope team offering end-to-end guidance to and support along the whole creative journey. So you can choose from three types of missions. So exclusive mission, where you want your content to stand out and avoid any copycats. and request asset exclusively licensed to your band. And for the product sampling, you want to create some early buzz or test the market with some social media visuals and let the folks select sample users and generate pre-launch content. And for the secret mission, you are about to launch, but you want to keep your competitors guessing. So you can launch a mission only visible to a selected group. And yeah, you can review and select. Yeah, you can do everything right here. So how to upload? How can you upload your videos or image? So let's just go to the market first. And as you can see, this pictures is actually good. This photography is good. So that's why they are being sold by people. And yeah, if you want, you can upload your videos or photos right here. And as you can see, if you're selling them, as you can see, Foap will take 50% of the cut if a certain brands likes your product, likes your videos or image that you uploaded. For example, you're selling them $10, and if a brand bought it, the FOP will take half of this profit right here. So you will get $5. So yeah, it's just a picture, but uh, assuming that you are uploading 10 videos or 10 image per day, and someone sold that, so it's actually 10 times 5. That's actually $50 per day, and per month that would be $1,500, and that's actually good for a side hustle. So this is a side hustle. This is actually a good side hustle for everyone. And yeah, you can choose one easy plan for your account, and they requires a subscription on it. So if you want single photo, 20 photos or 100 photos per day, yeah, it's up to you. So how can you actually make money on Foap? So I discussed it earlier, but if you're just started using Foap, you're probably curious about how to earn money here. So Foap is the number one platform for people who create their own content, photos, and videos, and it connects creators with brands who are looking for content. So what should you do after you're signing up? Just like I did earlier. So fix up your profile. Go to the menu, choose your profile, and click edit. Add a profile picture, cover photo, or short description about yourself, etc., etc. And after that, build your portfolio. Go to the menu, then manage the portfolio and add for example, 4 videos or 4 photos. And after you uploaded that, the brand will see your profile and portfolio when they're looking for creators to work with. So make sure your stuff looks great. Also, check out for the available missions. You can go to the mission section, which is like the creative contests, the one I showed earlier, to see what collaborations are open. Find one that you like, read the details carefully, and if it seems like a good fit, you can join the mission itself and upload your photos or videos that match up the theme, and it will be much more easier for the brand to see them since you're included on the mission itself. And also keep an eye on your emails and notifications, because when brand selects you or when new opportunities arise, Foap will actually reach out for you via email or notification on the Foap app itself, so on your mobile phone. So be sure to check your emails and ensure you haven't turned off notification for the app. Yeah, that's all. That's all you can do to help to make money on Foaps. And yes, there are more possibilities to enjoy the app itself. So you can browse and rate awesome content, follow great creators itself, and communicate with them through comments and get inspiration with them and tips from them. And that will improve your work and your career. And if you want, you can also, as I said, you can join missions and upload good quality videos related to the mission itself. And the team itself will make you a Full Plus member soon, and you will get access to special missions, sample requests, and you will get products from brands in exchange for contents and other opportunities. So this is actually good, since you can actually earn uh, using someone else's content, right? Just because you are included on the mission itself, on the community. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, if you want, you can just download the FOAP on Google Apps or Google Apps or App Store on your mobile phone, and it's pretty much easy to use right here. You can collaborate directly with brands, just like here. You can sell your photos and videos using the app. You can see your earnings right here, and you can withdraw them also. You can interact with other creators and brands, just like here. Yeah, etc., etc. Yeah, This actually a good application you can use for a side hustle, especially if you're doing photography or videography. Yeah, it's actually good, especially when you are creating stock videos. Since as you can see, people really likes to search for stock videos for their for example, video purposes. So people actually coming to this application right here to find and buy some stock videos content. Maybe they can buy your they can see your stock footage, and they can buy it, and you will earn money. Yeah, that's it. That's actually how you can use Foap application. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.